So if you want to change your wallpaper for your Mac, you can just follow me through this video right here. You can open up your setting, then go to your wallpaper. I mean, it's not just easy as that, but there are a lot of wallpaper here that you can choose from Apple that they have provided for you, and you can also click show all. But the most important part is that you can choose your own wallpaper, which you can add folder to. You can choose any folder that you want. For example, folder containing all of your pictures or something. Then you can also use your photos album from the big picture app from your iPhone, and also available on your Mac too. And there are these two light modes, light and dark, and basically this is the dark mode wallpaper, dark mode of this wallpaper. And this is the light mode. You can cycle them, so on. And there you go.